Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford Escape automatic. First, always ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal before starting the engine. This is a crucial safety step. Then, insert your key and turn it, or simply press the start button if your Escape has keyless ignition. Once the engine is running, take a moment to adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel. Proper adjustments ensure comfort and excellent visibility, making your drive much safer and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about shifting gears in your automatic Ford Escape. You'll find the gear selector conveniently located, usually as a lever or a rotary dial. To move forward, simply press the brake pedal and shift into D for drive. When you need to back up, select R for reverse. And remember, always put the vehicle in P for park when you're stopped and exiting the car, or even just idling for an extended period. It's a simple process once you get the hang of it. With your Ford Escape and drive, it's time to master the basics of driving. To get moving, gently press the accelerator pedal. Remember, smooth and gradual pressure is key for a comfortable ride. When you need to slow down or stop, apply steady pressure to the brake pedal. Always maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle in front of you, ideally at least 3 seconds. This gives you ample time to react to changing road conditions and ensures everyone's safety. Finally, let's cover parking and shutting down your Ford Escape. When you've reached your destination, find a suitable parking spot and slowly maneuver your vehicle into place. Once you're properly parked, shift the gear selector firmly into P for park. This engages the parking pole, securing your vehicle. Then, simply turn off the engine by pressing the start button or turning your key counterclockwise. Always ensure all lights and accessories are off before leaving your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.